Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. I was just testing conversations in the test environment of BB9. That way I know that BB9 is good to go when I put it onto my live leads. Oh, what's that? You also want to learn to use the conversation test tool? Well, okay, I'll show you. So this is the conversation test environment. Basically, this is a place where BB9 runs exactly as it would in your live Instagram or SMS or whatever your lead source is, exactly as it would live. So I've got a conversation here that I was kind of goofing around with here under my own personal account. And so let me show you a few things. This, first of all, you can reach this spot, this conversation test tool, by going to your agent's dashboard and then clicking Conversation Tester. And that's going to take you right here. Now, how does this conversation test environment work? Basically, you've got messages from the lead on the left, and you've got BB9's responses on the right in yellow. You can remove these messages by clicking a message and then clicking the X, and that will delete that message and everything below it. So I can click like that, and it'll delete the ones below it. I can click like that, it'll delete the ones below it. Now, if I want to see what BB9 would say to I'm a fit pro and I need more leads, and I need those leads booked to calls, we can hit test reply with any agent. Now, you can test individual agents if you want, and you can see I got a lot of agents here. But if you want to just run full on test environment as it would be live, just hit any, make sure it's on any there. It is by default. And then hit test reply. And let's see what happens here. So here, another agent actually stepped in. Is the lead handling messages by himself? The lead is personally expressing their needs, therefore, yes, DIY setting approved. So this is an agent I built that has all the information to just talk about doing it yourself, needing more leads, doing things all on your own, this kind of thing. So you're handling your own DMs, respect. Are you doing everything manually on the IG app, or do you have any automations built out? Now, if I want to respond as the lead, what I do is I go to this little box here and I go, yes, it's just so much work. I'm always on my phone at family dinner. And then you're going to click add message. Now, by default, it's going to be on the role lead and Instagram. Now, if you want to create a message from the assistant for some reason, or a system message, there are reasons to do that, but we won't get into that right now. You can then hit add message, and it's going to add that message as if the lead sent it to you. And then simply you hit test reply with any agent, and it's going to generate a message that BB9 would have said if this was live. And you can carry this whole conversation through all the way to the actual booking. Absolutely, you should be doing that. And then if there's anything you don't like, just take a screenshot, drop it into the Slack, and we'll take a look. Okay? Hopefully that explains the test environment to you, and we'll see you soon.